What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and today is New Knife Day. It's even better than that. It's a Benchmade for New Knife Day. You guys saw the thumbnail. It's the Presidio 2. So I just want to do a quick unboxing here, give you guys a spec rundown, some initial thoughts, and we'll get this into the carry rotation. But while I'm unboxing it, I wanted to share a funny story of why I landed on this model. Ooh, that is beefy. That's a big knife. I had a gift card I decided to blow on a knife. It was 150 bucks. But of course, being me, I had trouble deciding on what knife to get. So I recruited some help from my brother. He shouted out some random knife brands, and Benchmade was one of them. So for each brand, we picked 6. I picked a knife that was in the $150 price range. And this is what the fates chose. We rolled the dice by elimination, and this was the last one standing. So, quick spec rundown on this guy, 8.72 inches overall. This is a big honkin' knife. Reminds me a lot of the Cold Steel Recon 1, but, you know, obviously in a Benchmade kind of package. Blade length, 3.72 inches. Blade thickness, 0.12 inches, if that'll focus for me. Your blade steel is CPM S30V, you can see there. And then your handle material, they're calling it CF Elite. So I'm guessing this is some sort of carbon fiber, glass-filled nylon composite. It feels pretty cool, quite a bit of texture with all that, all those ribs and dots and all that kind of stuff on there. Some good jimping on there too, but it's thick. Handle thickness, 0.63 inches. Overall weight is just under 5 ounces at 4.97. You got a deep carry pocket clip, left or right tip up carry, obviously an axis lock, great centering, open construction, 3 standoffs there. All right, let's check this action. Ooh, lock bar is very sticky and it's very dry. You can kind of hear that. It's smooth in the way that I can say there's no, bad tolerances or anything there. I just think it needs to be lubed up, probably worked in, needs to be carried, but I like it. It seems kind of like a hard use, duty, kind of somewhat tactical folder, if you want to call it that, but I like it. But the main thing that kind of drew me to this model was I hadn't heard a lot about it. I thought this was a discontinued design. It wasn't even on sale, and it was right at 150 bucks, like 148, which seems kind of crazy from Benchmade. I mean, a lot of bug outs or more than this. A lot of the knives I think that are very cool from Benchmade, the 942 Osborne, the Bailout, all of those are 200 plus. But somehow you get this huge, big honkin' package of the Presidio 2 with S30V, and some sort of carbon fiber composite handle for sub 150. So kind of interesting. Obviously USA made, being a Benchmade. Digging that clip. Let's check that retention. Retention's not great, but it's not too soft. The butterfly logo there. Yeah, build quality seems great. Thumb stud action. Axis lock is a little sticky. I can kind of feel this thing loosening up just as I'm playing with it right out of the box. So very cool knife. Let me know what you guys think. If you've heard a lot about the Presidio 2. I'm excited about it. I always love letting the fates choose my next knife. And in fact, we started this whole thing off with a poll on Instagram and YouTube. So if you guys see one of those, definitely chime in because I listened. Rather than spend that $150 on multiple budget knives, you guys said pick one moderately priced knife and go that direction. So here it is. This is the Benchmade Presidio 2. Can't wait to start carrying it. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, have fun with your knives.